Right guys, so Stephen has pulled out the till drawer from a shop. I think I've got it all empty. It's got a few things inside it. It's got a key ring that says Juliet on it. Not sure what that is. Some kind of tool. Got a key there. Another key. I think it's a stamp, that. And then, ka-ching, got some money in there. Not looked at it yet, so we'll have a look together, eh? Oh, what is that? Oh my god, these are rare. I think these are rare 50p's. Oh, 1978. That one's stuck. Oh, it's from Ireland. I think so. Got a fish on that one, 10p. 1980, Ireland, I think. Elizabeth II. Oh, that's thick, that one. It's Isle of Man, 50p. It's got a ship on it. That one's weird. It's got like indentations on it. Oh, that one's cool, isn't it? What is this? What's that say? 1970 new pence with a cow on it. 10. 1978. Wow. Let's check there's nothing else in there. And from Isle of Man as well. Wow. Let's make sure this is definitely empty. It looks like there's something in there. Yeah, Roger. Put your glove in there. Something yellow.
What do you want?
Grab that yellow thing there and anything else that's in there.
Well, if you turn it this way, I'm not going to fall walking canal to do it, am I? Yeah, I'll tip it up.
I've not got right gloves on, it's
Yeah,
proper sharp.
I know. Oh.
Give it a bash. Ooh. That was what I was looking at.
Yeah. Yeah. She loves porridge.
Oh, yeah, that's a whole lot of nothing, that. But then there's all them coins. Very nice find, Stephen.
Oh, that's a good find, wasn't it?